How can I use Google Scholar? Hi everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intudo4U. In Intudo4U, we connect you with top professionals who specialize in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. From content creation to personalized tutoring and data-driven insights, we provide you access to experts who are passionate about helping you succeed. Looking for compelling articles? Or maybe you need help understanding complex subjects? How about a detailed data report to make informed decisions? Whatever your need, Intudo4U makes it easy to find the right professional for you. Subscribe now and start your journey with Intudo4U, where expertise meets opportunity. Let's achieve success together. Today, we'll talk about an amazing feature from Google that makes researching and gathering academic resources super easy. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible tool that has been a game changer for researchers everywhere is Google Scholar. But there's one feature I'm not telling you about just yet. It's something that can completely transform how you see academic research, and you'll be amazed by how powerful it is. I'll reveal this feature in just a bit, but before that, let me show you how Google Scholar can help you dive into your research like never before. Open your browser and type scholar.google.com in the search bar. Hit enter, and you'll be redirected to the Google Scholar homepage. From here, you can search for any topic you're interested in. Features of Google Scholar. Let me show you some of the best features of Google Scholar. Search results tailored to academia. When you search for a topic, the results include scholarly articles, books, and papers. For example, if you search artificial intelligence in medicine, you'll find research papers published by top universities, articles from academic publishers, PDFs and resources from verified websites like .gov or .edu. Direct PDF access. Many results let you directly download PDFs for free. Just look for the PDF label next to the result. Time filters. You can refine your search by publication year. For instance, you can view only the studies published after 2022, 2021, or even set a custom range. Citations made easy. Each result has a citation feature, so you can quickly copy references in different formats like APA, MLA, or Chicago. And now, the feature I've been keeping under wraps: citation tracking. This shows you how many times a paper has been cited by other researchers, giving you a clear idea of how influential it is. Not only that, but it helps you discover other papers that cited it, allowing you to explore more relevant research. This is just one of the many tools in Google Scholar that can totally transform how you approach your research. Conclusion: Google Scholar is a fantastic tool for anyone in the academic or research space. Whether you're a high school student, a university scholar, or a curious learner, it has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments how you'll use Google Scholar for your next project. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.